my favourite features of the new DAF XF. First of all, we've got the LED lights all around on this one, including the spotlights, which are probably the brightest thing you'll ever see in your life. Second of all, camera replaces your downward-facing front and side mirrors, and that gives you a view from that corner of the truck round to the back corner of the truck there. Then, if we jump inside, my third and final favourite feature of the new DAF XF is this touchscreen. It is insane how much better this is than the old DAFs. You've got everything you need on here, from phone calls to music, and all your settings are available just there.